I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the new floor pans for the Wagoneer from Classic to Current. Let me go set up a tripod and we'll take a look at these and see what they look like. Alright. I will say when the package arrived it did have floor pans sticking out the side and it was kind of beat up, so I'm not expecting them to look perfect. But that is FedEx shipping for you. Now, one time I had a toolbox delivered by them, and it was so smashed it looked like somebody had driven their truck over the top of it. Alright, I've got the floorboards laid out in the car. Everything seems to line up well. The drain holes are in the same spot. All of the reinforcement or the little bends in the floorboards are in the same spot as the originals are. This side seems to fit pretty good, but it just wasn't quite long enough to cover up this last hole here, so I'm gonna have to create my own little patch for this part. But it's a flat sheet of metal, so I'm not too worried about making that. The back fits pretty well. Doesn't have that little section, so I'm gonna have to bend up something to fill in there. But everything else fits relatively well. On this side, it fits a little funky, but I think it'll, once I trim it and bend it down, it'll sit in there pretty close. This side I can't get down all the way to see how well it fits, because number one, I need to bend this edge down, and number two, I haven't removed the four-wheel drive shifter yet, so. But over there it seems to cover basically everything except for the small rust spot by the drain plug, but that should come out pretty easy. Just cut a small patch and put there. Overall I'm pretty happy. Would I have liked to have gone with the full floor pans from BJ's Off-Road or one of the other full nice floor pan sets? Yeah, I would, but these, like I said in the past, they're way cheaper. The quality of the steel is good. It's thick enough. And for all four of these floor pans with taxes shipped was less than just one floor pan was going to be from BJ's. So I have to think more budget minded when I'm doing my stuff. I have a family. I can't just dump all my time and resources into my project. So I think these are going to work out great for me though. They seem to cover basically everything that was an issue except for that spot. Everything else is just small little bits of surface rust, nowhere near going through. So I think they'll work out great.